This video is not sponsored by Soundcore. As you can see, I just love the brand. Less than $50 for a pair of Bluetooth over-ear headphones with great sound. Sounds too good to be true, right? But that's exactly what the Soundcore Q11i brings to the table. Lightweight, comfy, and packed with features, these budget-friendly over-ear headphones might just surprise you. Whether you need them for office work, gaming, or daily commute, I've got all the details you need. Let's jump in! Straight out of the box, the Soundcore Q11i headphones come neatly tucked in a dust bag. Despite being made of plastic, they feel sturdy and lightweight. The dark gray color gives them a sleek, modern look. The ear cups are attached to rotatable hinges that swivel up to 90 degrees, a thoughtful feature that makes wearing them around your neck more comfortable. Instead of sticking out, the ear cups lay flat, a small but useful detail. Next, we have the accessories. A quick start guide, a USB-A to USB-C cable for charging, and an aux cable. The aux option is especially handy for situations like flights, where in-flight entertainment systems often don't support Bluetooth. Just plug in the cable and you are ready to enjoy your content without any hassle. The first thing you'll notice about the Soundcore Q11i is how lightweight they are. A major plus if you prefer over-ear headphones to earbuds. The soft plush ear cushions offer excellent comfort even during long listening sessions, whether you are gaming, commuting, or just relaxing at home. The intuitive button layout makes adjustment effortless, and while the BassUp button is positioned slightly awkwardly at first, I quickly got used to it. Let's dive into the sound quality, where the Q11i truly shine. These headphones deliver high-res audio when connected with the aux cable, offering impressive clarity and balanced sound. Vocals and mids come through clearly, while BassUp technology adds a noticeable boost for bass-heavy tracks, making action-packed soundtracks feel more immersive. While the aux connection should theoretically provide even better audio quality, my amateur ears don't detect much difference compared to Bluetooth. Another nice feature is the Multipoint Connection, which is made possible by Bluetooth 5.3. It's so convenient. If I'm listening to music on my laptop and a call comes in on my phone, the headphones automatically switch to the call. Once the call ends, they go right back to playing music. It's seamless and works perfectly, which makes it a fantastic feature for anyone who juggles multiple devices throughout the day. Let's take a quick look at how the microphone performs. Whether you're using this for calls, gaming, or voice chats, it's important to have clear audio. Here's a short sample so you can judge for yourself. Alright, here's a quick test of the microphone. I'm speaking in a quiet room right now, so this is how it sounds in ideal conditions. Let's see how well it picks up my voice. And here's how it sounds with some added noise. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Another practical touch is the detachable ear cushions. Over time, headphones can get a bit grimy, and being able to easily clean or replace the cushions adds to their longevity. Although I couldn't find replacement earbuds for sale, I've heard that Soundcore's customer support is very helpful, so I'm hopeful they would provide replacements if needed. Though I haven't tested this myself, so it's just my assumption. For under $50, the Q11i offers remarkable value. Whether you are working, streaming, or just enjoying your favorite tunes, these headphones deliver. The battery life on the Q11i is outstanding, with up to 60 hours of playtime. Even better, a quick 5-minute charge provides 4 hours of playback, which is perfect for those of us who tend to forget to charge our devices. While the battery life will be shorter at maximum volume, it's still incredibly long. A full charge only takes 2 hours, so you are always ready to go. The Soundcore app is another highlight, allowing you to customize the EQ and tailor your listening experience. Whether you prefer more bass or a balanced sound, the app gives you full control to tweak the audio to your liking. Now, let's touch on a few downsides. There's no battery level indicator on the headphones themselves. You will need to check your phone for the status, which isn't always convenient. While the headphones play a sound when turning on or off, they don't audibly confirm with power on or power off, which can sometimes make it tricky to know if they are on or off. The lack of active noise cancelling is another drawback, but for under $50 it's not a surprise. Thankfully, the passive noise isolation works decently in most environments. Lastly, there's no travel case included. While this would have been a nice addition, it's a minor gripe considering the price. Here's my take. The Soundcore Q11i Bluetooth headphones are an impressive pick for budget-conscious buyers. They are lightweight, sound great, and have a battery life that feels almost unlimited. Features like the aux option and multipoint connection add versatility, making them suitable for a wide range of uses. Sure, they are not perfect. No ANC, no battery indicator, and no travel case, but at this price point, these are small compromises. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. See you in the next one!